Start by placing both hands gently above the knees. With a delicate touch, gradually connect with the skin as you press down. The intermittent pressure is designed to help the massage recipient acclimate to the sensation, ensuring a gradual introduction of pressure without going overboard. When addressing the inner and outer parts of the legs, push with the hand closest to you while simultaneously applying pulling pressure with the other. For the posterior parts of the legs, start at the lowest part of the calves. Ensure your fingers are connected and pointed up while slowly moving upward. Another option is to position the hands horizontally beside each other and gently press down into the muscle tissue. You can apply the same pushing and pulling technique that was used on the anterior parts of the legs to these muscles as well.